I'm Parker Melson. I'm an aviation maintenance technician. I'm at the Indianapolis hangar base. I have worked at Republic for 1 year. Some jobs are assigned before we come in. We divide up the remaining jobs and just work until everything is completed. Every aircraft will have 2-day inspection. Gaining the knowledge of the aircraft is probably the most challenging aspect. But working with Republic, you have the Embraer 170, 175s, and that aircraft is the only aircraft you're working on. You do specialize in this aircraft. For someone who's considering transitioning to Republic, the opportunity for growth within the company. I have seen several technicians move on to other departments within the corporate structure. Lots of opportunity seems to abound. And even if you start at Indianapolis and you have dreams of moving to another city, that opportunity is there as well. Republic in a lot of ways has changed my life for the better. The pay is competitive. My weekend was Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Lots of time with my kids and my wife. We get flight privileges with American, Delta, and United. We can get flights both domestically and internationally. A very competitive benefits package. I think it's just the culture in general. The people we work with really take care of each other. I like to learn from experience, so I will lean on and get to know and have gotten to know several of the more tenured technicians who can assist on the day-to-day operations with their knowledge. And it's just developing good, healthy working relationships. Being able to have a positive impact on my coworkers is what Opportunity Elevated to me means.